Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, we have completed the lesson about the expert detectives. So, today we shall learn a poem. So, in this poem, the poet of this poem is Kit Wright. In this poem, so one of the cat gets stuck in the branches of a tree, and our poets, who is our poet? Kit Wright. Our poet's father does different types of activities. He plans different types of ideas. So, how to bring that cat down which was get stuck in a tree. So, how did he bring that cat down? So, we shall learn in this poem. So, what is the name of our poem today? Dad and the cat and the tree. Who is dad here? Whose dad is he? Our poet's dad. Who is our poet? Kit Wright is our poet. So, dad and the cat and the tree. So, what is the name of our poem today? Dad and the cat and the tree. Dad and the cat and the tree. Poem. Today our poem is Dad and the cat and the tree. And who is the poet, children? Kit Wright. Who is our poet, children? Kit Wright is our poet. So what is the name of the poem? Dad and the cat and the tree. And whose dad is he? Our poet's dad. Who is our poet, children? Kit Wright is our poet. Now let's go into the poem. So this morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Who is saying this in a sentence, children? Who spoke these sentences? Our poet has spoken these sentences. Who is our poet? Kit Wright is our poet. So what is he speaking in these lines? What he has spoken in these lines, children? This morning, that morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. In whose tree the cat was stuck, children? It was stuck in the tree of our poet. So where is this tree? The tree, where do we grow trees and plants and everything, children? It is in the garden. In whose garden the tree is? Our poet's garden. So what happened that morning? One of the cat was stuck in the branches of a tree which was in our poet's garden. Who is our poet? Kit Wright is our poet. That's it. Right, just leave it to me and this. So if any situation happens, so when you have done something, so what will your parents say, children? No, you don't do that. I will take care of it, they will say. Yes or no, children? They doesn't want you to do that thing. So because you may get hurt or some other reason, because of love or whatever it is, so what will your elders say? No, you please don't do that. I will take care of it. I will take care of that problem. I will solve that problem, they will say. In the same way, in our poem, our poet's father, so what happened that day? One of the cat was stuck in the branches of a tree. And what is our poet's father saying? No, don't worry about that. I will take care of that matter and bring that cat down. He is saying. Who is saying these words? Our poet's father is saying these words. The tree was ugly. The tree was tall. What is meant by ugly, children? Shaky. The tree was shaking. What is the meaning for ugly, children? What is the meaning for ugly? Shaky. And what is the tree, children? The tree is not much strong. It is shaking that side and this side because the trunk of the tree is not very large. And again, what happened? The tree was tall. It was very tall in size. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. And mom, who is known as mom here, children? For whom we call as moms? For mother, we call as mom. Yes, Anisha. And mommy is saying, no, you don't climb the tree. So if you climb the tree, you may fall down. Please don't climb the tree and do all those things, she said. So if your father does something, what will your mother say? Whatever it is, though if it is dangerous, what will your mother say? Go and do that, no problem. If you fall also, will she say, children? No. And what the mother will say? Please take care while you are doing that work. She will give some instructions. So what instructions will she give? To be careful. In the same way, our poet's mother is also giving instruction to our poet's father. So for goodness, you may fall down. Please don't climb the tree, she is saying. And Fall, scoffed dad, a climber like me. What is meant by scoffed, children? Ridicule, scorn. What is the meaning for scoffed? Scoffed, ridicule, scorn. And he is saying, what? You are saying that I'll fall down. So I'm a great climber, a climber like me. A climber like means he himself is feeling that he is a good climber. And he's saying, what? Climber like me? He's saying, child's play this is. You wait and see. And he's saying, so climbing this tree, it is very easy. It is like a child's play. You no need to worry. I'll take care of that one. I'm a great climber. He's saying. Who is saying all these words? Our poet's father is saying all these words. How he is feeling? He himself is feeling as a great climber. So he is taking it as very easy. But mother is worried. What is the reason why the mother is worried? The tree is very tall and it is also shaky. So if you fell down, children, if you have broken any parts of our body, so they won't get joined again. So she is feeling worried. So if he falls down from the tree, he may get hurt and something might be broken. So for that she is giving the instructions not to climb the tree. But what is the father's feeling here, children? So a climber like me, I am a great climber. It is a child's play. So you no need to worry about that. I can take care of it. He saying. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. So where do we have sheds, children? At the corner of the garden. So in that garden there is a shed. And what are there in the shed, children? A ladder is there. Do you know that ladder, children, which we use for climbing? So it will be like this. Have you seen, children? This is called as a ladder. So where is the ladder? It is in the garden shed. He went into the shed and brought that ladder. For what purpose do we use the ladder? To climb. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So while he is climbing the ladder, what happened, children? The ladder, he slipped from the ladder. And where he has fallen down? He fell down in the flower bed, in the garden, in the flower garden. He fell down in the flower garden. What is the reason? The ladder got slipped and he fell down in the flower garden. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. What is meant by trousers, children? Pants. What is the meaning for trousers? Pants. So as soon as we fall down, children, if we are kids, what do? We start crying. But as he is an elder person, what he said? So when he has fallen down in the flower bed, he got it. So when all the dirt and dust is there on his body, he's brushing all the dirt and dust which is there on his head, on his body, on his pants and everything. And he said, we'll try plan B. Stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again, okay? Okay, no problem. Plan B is not successful. Plan B is plan A is not successful. Plan A is failed. So what is the problem? So we shall go for plan B. He said. He got up there, rubbed all the dust which is there on his body. And again mother is saying, please don't fall again. Is it okay? Are you listening? She is saying, fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. And what happened, children, again? Again falling up. See what a joke you are saying. It is a funny game for me. So don't say such jokes to me. He said. Again he climbed the tree. And what happened, children? So he started hanging to the branch of a tree. So what happened to the branch? The branch was broken down. And again what will happen to this person? And again he fell to the ground. Dad landed well up. Landed well up means, children, with a heavy blow. So when the branch gets broken, we get a sound. With a heavy blow, again he landed onto the ground. Landed well up means heavy blow. Heavy blow. The branch was broken and again he landed onto the ground. Dad landed well back on the turf. Mom said, stop it, you'll break your neck. And she said, what is that you are doing? I said you not to climb the tree, you may fall down. But again you have climbed the tree. But you may break your neck, you may get hurt. Please don't climb the tree, she is saying. And rubbish, said Dad. Now we will try plan C. Okay, no problem. Plan A is failed. Plan B is failed. No, you no need to worry. So I have one more plan. Plan C is there with me. So I shall try that plan, he is saying. Who is saying these words? Dad is saying. Easy as winking to a climber like me. What is meant by winking, children? So one, you open and close the eyes. Yes or no? That is called as winking. What is meant by winking? Just shut and open the eyes. It is called as winking. And again, then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. So at last, he used plan C and climbed onto the tree. How did he climb onto the tree? By climbing onto the garden wall. Now, you guess what had happened? This time he did not fall, children. So no injuries, no falling, nothing. But what happened? Some situation had taken place. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. And what happened? He climbed onto the garden wall, and what he has done? He thought of catching that cat which is there, which was stuck in the branches of a tree. And he climbed the garden wall, and he had fallen on right near to the cat. And what happened? He was stuck in the branches of the tree. When he tried to catch the cat which was stuck in the branches of a tree by climbing onto the wall, he himself now got stuck in the branches of a tree. The cat gave a L. What is meant by L? To shout. What is the meaning for L? To shout. The cat gave a L. It shouted very loudly and sprang to the ground. What is meant by sprang, children? To jump. What is the meaning for sprang? To jump. By giving a loud cry when the dad fell onto the branch of a tree, what the cat has done? It gave a loud cry and jumped off from the place where it was stuck. Pleased as Punch to be safe and sound, it jumped and landed onto the ground. Okay, children, and where is the cat now? It was on the ground. And where is our dad, children? He was stuck in the branches of a tree. So it's smiling and smirking. So what is meant by smirking, children? It gave a crooked smile, often crooked smile. What is meant by smirking? What is the meaning for smirking? Often crooked smile. Often crooked smile. So it gave a crooked smile. Smug as can be. Smug means self-satisfied. It was satisfied that it got out from the branches. But poor old dad still stuck up the tree. So dad thought of helping the cat which was stuck in the branches of a tree. He used plan A with the help of ladder. It failed. Plan B. He was hung to the branches of a tree. The branch broke. And third, plan C. He climbed onto the wall and he gave a big leap where the cat was struck. So when he gave a big leap, what happened, children? The cat jumped from there, giving a big sound, big cry. And now the cat was on the land. But what happened to our dad? He was stuck in the branches of a tree. He was stuck in the branches of a tree. So dad felt it is very easy to bring the cat down from the branch which was stuck. At last, the cat reached the land safely. But who was stuck in the branches of a tree? Dad was stuck in the branches of a tree. Thank you, children.